In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Keeping WooCommerce updated is crucial for the security and functionality of your online store, as updates often include patches for newly discovered vulnerabilities and enhancements in features. So let's walk through the process to ensure you're running the latest version. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin panel. This is typically accessible by adding wp admin to the end of your website's URL. Once you're on the login page, enter your username and password to access the WordPress dashboard. If you encounter any login issues, ensure you have the correct details or reset your password if needed. Once you've successfully logged in, turn your attention to the left-hand menu. This menu is your gateway to managing different aspects of your WordPress site. Look for the plugins option and give it a click. This area houses all the plugins that are currently installed on your site. With the plugins page open, you'll see a list of all installed plugins. At this point, you're going to want to find WooCommerce among the list. If you have a lot of plugins installed, you can use the search bar at the top right of the page to quickly locate WooCommerce. After locating the WooCommerce plugin, the next step is to check if an update is available. If there is an update, you'll notice an Update Now link next to the WooCommerce plugin name. This indicates that the plugin is not running the latest version and it's time to update. Before proceeding with the update, it might be a good idea to ensure you have a recent backup of your site. This is a safety measure in case anything goes wrong during the update process. Now, go ahead and click the Update Now link. Once clicked, the update process will begin. You'll see a loading indicator, and it's important to be patient here. Avoid navigating away from the page while the update is in progress. Depending on your server's performance and your internet speed, this process could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the update is complete, you'll see a confirmation message stating updated successfully. This indicates that WooCommerce has been updated to the latest version and you're all set. Remember, keeping your plugins up to date helps ensure your site runs smoothly and securely. And that's it. You've successfully updated WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Make sure to check back regularly for any new updates to keep your site in top shape. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.